Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Paris is so beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah. So we are in the Olympic game. We went to see Olympic game, and this one is escrima or fencing. 击剑, I think it's called fencing in English. And it is arranged inside the Grand Palais. It's inside a big palace, and every time we came here, 2 years ago we came here, it was in travel, in renovation. Last year we were here, it was in renovation, because they are preparing for the Olympic game. And I think the city has done a great job and made so much effort, and so artistic and so romantic and so beautifully arranged. So here we are inside to see the fencing game, and the view is good. And this one, the top is covered. It's a bright sunshine day, but inside there is air conditioning, and it's very, very comfortable and pleasant. And this area, there is a fencing game, Stade Grand Palais and Stade Invalides. I think it's how do we call it? It's the Tihalak game, and there is beach ball and beach volleyball, and the Tour Eiffel. All and everything is just so beautiful. Paris, because of the Olympic game, the city has arranged, cleaned up things, and I have heard a lot. People say, "Oh, it will never finish. Paris is just will be miserable, will be impossible." But when the day came, and yeah, this is American getting win the game, and then they will go to semi-final and final. So they win the preliminary game, and seeing the Olympians in front of our eyes, it's so encouraging. And in such a beautiful place, it's very inspiring, very inspiring. And we are very happy for this game, just to see the city changing so much, and such good spirit, people all over the world coming to one place to compete, to show the human best. Beautiful. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye, bye.